Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and welcome back to our 13th episode of my reaction video for the series Avenues of the Diamonds. And sorry kasi hindi ko yata na-upload to sa TikTok yung episode 12 ko na clip, but it is already uploaded on my YouTube channel. So, better watch it out kasi alam niyo na yung mga reaction ko, di ba? Sobrang Pero ayun na nga, nasa 13th episode na tayo. So last 4 episodes na tayo. 4 ba or 3? Not sure, but let's start in 3, 2, 1. So, yung episode 13, doon natin, 12, doon natin nakita yung birthday ni Abby. And yung kasal ng Haya, which is yun yung inaabangan ng most ng fans ng Universe series.
It's just, may card holders missing. Hindi kasi, di nakita ka bang card holder?
Ayan, ang I miss you yoga. Ayan na siya. Sige, paano ka magdadahilan dyan, Sam?
Yoga. I miss yoga.
Magtropa talaga sila ni Yana.
This is so embarrassing.
Me too. I miss you.
Yoga. Yoga? Sige, may yoga session kayo.
Talaga? Then we should do yoga next time. Wait. Parang mali. Bakit ko siya ini-invite to do yoga?
Marupok din tong dalawang to eh.
Sure. Let me know kung kailan ka free.
Hulo.
Nag-agree siya? Weird. Anyway. Wait. Going back to the sweater, where can I meet you tomorrow?
Nasa outreach program. We can meet there if it's fine with you.
Outreach program. Talaga bang pupuntahan ko siya doon just to return his sweater? But I guess that's fine. Sure, I can go. Is 11 a.m. good?
Yes. I'll send you the address. See you.
See you.
So, tinda na natin tong yoga session. Ay, libre tuli. Ito pala yung medical mission. Ang taray naman ng suotan ng Samantha Vera. Parang
Uy, ang ganda niya. Teka, ang pet mo yan. Actually, natin just yung commercial dati.
Tama ba itong place? Hey, I'm already here sa location. I think I arrived too early. Mamaya isipin na excited ako makita siya. But no rush. May dinaanan din kasi ako kaya napaaga.
yes, reasons.
Baka miss busy. Ate! Tulong! Trini po! Sabihin niyo po ako sa mga doktor! Sabi niyo po, nagtibilan tayo ng patis dyan sa ano eh! Sabi ni teacher na liars, bodohens, posituro po!
John Eldin, ha? Nakukonsumin ako sa iyo, ha? Mana-mana ka sa tatay mo. Bilis naman, patuloy ka na. Patuloy ka sa akin.
Sige, John Elden na lang. John Elden, hindi naman siguro intensyon ng nanay mo na magsinungaling sa'yo. Makinig ka sa kanya. Kailangan mo to para sa health mo. Para pag lumaki ka, mas malakas ka at malusog.
Sabi ng kaklas ko, masakit raw yan eh. Takot po.
Okay lang matakot. Lahat naman tayo takot sa sakit. Pero alam mo, yung doktor na magpupuli sa'yo, kilala ko yun. Sobrang galing mo.
Joke tayo.
Totoo nga. Hindi ka pababayaan nun. Promise. Magpapatuloy ka na.
Okay po. Ano sabi niyo? Sobrang galing niya eh.
Sobrang galing saan?
Eldin de Guzman.
Ayan na.
Ikaw? Okay. Hi. I'm Doc Leiden. Sobrang galing na doktor na tutulong sa'yo.
Shit, narinig niya.
Let's go.
Okay, go na. Go. Thank you, Doc.
Meron talagang mga lumalabas sa big natin na hindi dapat maririnig yung tamang taong makakarinig dapat, di ba?
Si Doc. Jowa mo? Jowa mo? Ay, eto na. Yay! Oh, ano, masakit ba?
Hindi po. Parang kagas na po.
Ay, sige.
Wala.
Thank you, Doc, ha?
You're welcome.
Please, thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Jowa mo? Jowa mo yun, oh.
Oh gosh, his eyes are so puffy. Super umiyak pa siya dun sa loob.
Yeah, he did. Grabe, naayos ko pala yung injection. Nagwawala na agad siya. Hey, are you free? Do you wanna have some lunch?
I guess meron naman akong time for a quick lunch.
Marupok talaga. Kaibigan talaga sila ni Yana. Quick lunch.
Sensya na, dito kita dinala. Kaya ako siya bumalik doon.
Okay lang, no worries. The adobo here is really good.
Sayang. Tamang forma ka pa naman.
What? No, I dress like this kasi may meeting ako later. Hindi dahil nakikipagkita ko sa'yo.
Joke lang.
Ang daming paliwanag.
Inaasar na niya ako.
By the way, I watched your fashion show. Congrats, ah.
Really?
Yeah. Sobrang galing mo nga dun eh. And you stood out.
Thank you, Sai. Hindi ko alam na nag-watch ka pala. You know, I watched your stories and shit.
Oh my God.
And nakita ko na you were at the hospital. Yeah. You know, I usually watch everyone's story talaga.
Talaga ba, Sam? Talaga ba?
Pero na-record ko yung live stream para mapanood ko pa din. No rice? Tapos na yung fashion show mo, dahil ka pa din. Oh wait. There's something on your... Mukha kang hamster.
I always have to be mindful of my figure. You know, my manager's pretty strict about me keeping my body fit. To be honest, I think this adobo right now feels like a cheat day. Kasi medyo mabilis na ako mabusog ngayon eh.
Parang mabilis mabusog. Eh diba dati lagi ko inuubusog ko.
Bakit din naman ganyan?
Bring up ang past.
Mas maliit na kasi yung appetite ko than before.
Ganun ba yun? Lumiliit pa talaga yung appetite. I'm not sure kung lumiliit talaga.
Samantha Vera? Oh my God, pwede mong pa-picture? Sure. Idol na idol ko po kasi kayo eh.
Ano siya?
Thank you po. Ayan, okay. Ganda niyo po pala. Ay, foil ko pala.
Tangos ng
Kasi gusto niya akong makita.
Oo, kasi gusto ko niya makita, my God.
At talagang in-invite ko siya sa condo ko. At pumayag siya.
So true.
God, what the hell are we doing? Sam? Yeah.
Yes, wala ka sa sarili, Sam.
To work with us. Sinasabi mo, I'm asking you if you have any requests for leave next month.
Okay.
Oh my God. What? What happened? Nagtitrending din ni Hayes. Let me see.
Ayun na nga.
During the fashion show are circulating. They think Hayes is your non-showbiz boyfriend. I need to talk to Hayes about this. I think hindi lang si Hayes ang kailangan ko sa Sam. Who did you have a lunch date with a while ago?
Ayan na
Sa
nga.
kanila kumain kumain. What? Whoever it is, he's also trending.
Oh my God. Trending na lahat. Grabe, ang haba ng hair mo, Sam.
He's just a friend. Ano gagawin ko, Ara? What if pati yung privacy niya, guluhin nila? Mas better kung hindi na lang natin sasagutin anything about kay Hayes. Mukhang mas si Hayes pa rin ang iniisip nilang boyfriend. Okay. Okay, I think that's better. After all, mas sanay naman si Hayes sa public eye. I'll just talk to him. Basta wag lang madamay si Sai. So, who is this Sai? At bakit overprotected ka sa kanya?
Hindi niya mapalanan. Ex-boyfriend.
Ara, I told you. It's just a friend.
Sige, sabi mo, friend. Nakakaloka. Wala ng mic.
Puta na yung mga mayayaman lang may choice. Whether in healthcare or in justice. Di ba? Baka ba? Bakit sponsorship kahit ano ibigay kong pera? Dahil hindi talaga enough. That's the point. It's never gonna be enough. It doesn't matter what we do.
Grabe
It's
magtalo
never
yung
gonna
mga
be fucking
matatalino,
enough.
ha?
Fuck the system, man. Yeah, fuck the system. Fuck the system. Fuck the system. Okay, workaholics. That's why you two are single. Fuck. And you're not? Why do you have to put that in? We're not even talking about that. Insensitive bitch. Bakit may pinapatamaan ka ba? Please, guys. Bakit may sinasabi ka? Oh, alam kong break kami. No. Yeah. I don't know, bro. I don't know what the fuck I did wrong. What the fuck? This drama.
Sobrang dramatic.
Pinabinigay ko naman lahat eh. Diba? Ang ina problema na ng Pinas to eh. Fuck the system. Fuck the system. Putang ina mga mayaman at mga love. What fuck? No, love is good. It's not. I was right there. I was right right there. That's believing it that it was good, that it was gonna give you the fucking, that it's gonna give you the fucking passion for it, but it's not. It's gonna kill you inside of.
Ito na nga, magagamitan sila ni Hayes kasi nga, dito ko lang talaga na patunayan na he's not straight and he had a relationship with a girl and a guy. Diba? Grabe, ang gwapo pa naman ni Hayes. But, best of both worlds. Charis. Ang yoga session. Yes. Ang gwapo naman. Rar.
This is the portrait Naomi took years ago, right?
It is. Medyo nagugutom na ako. Should we eat first?
Yeah, sure. May dala rin ng food.
Okay.
Okay. Here you go.
Oh, wow! Sushi!
Not a fan of
Sira na naman yung
sushi,
blue rice
pero
diet na nito.
hindi talaga ako fan ng raw.
Tsaka,
Like,
naalala ko rin na
yung raw na ganito.
favorite food mo yan.
Pero yung mga dried naman na
Siyempre,
fish,
used to
yung mga
make those for
dilis
me
na
before.
kinakain, kumakain naman ako nun.
Sushi!
Yung request mo.
This is my fave. Bakit ang... Oh,
Grabe naman yung awkwardness niya.
How do you date when you're a model? Ayan, finally. Tumingin ka na rin sa akin. I'd prefer it if you would look at me instead. So? How?
my friends do it normally since there's nothing to be ashamed of. It's just that medyo mahirap lang kapag non-showbiz yung guys kasi gugulin talaga sila ng media.
I'm not asking about your friends. I'm asking about you.
You.
I don't date. Masyado akong busy for that. Siguro, pag nag-retire ako and kaya ko nang magkaroon ng quality time with my partner,
Talaga ba, Sam?
Okay.
Quality time is my
I want to
love
date normally.
language.
Go shopping, go on a picnic day, travel together. All the normal things couples do.
Well, that
Noted.
requires a lot of time.
Yeah. Love language ko kasi quality time eh.
So may plano kang mag-retire ng modeling?
Eventually, matagal pa naman yun. Pero iniisip ko na magkaroon ng sarili kong business. Gusto kong mag-open ng club since I'm so good at drinking.
Well, you should. That would be great.
You think so?
Of course. Anything you do is beautiful.
Sana all mga ganitong
And I'm
words
proud of you
maririnig mo
since
sa jowa mo.
you're starting to plan your own future and you decided what you want to do.
Thank you. Ikaw naman mag-share. What are your plans?
Well, finish residency, take the exam, proceed to fellowship, and then I'm thinking of pediatric cardiology. I don't know.
I'm sure whatever you choose, you'll do great like you always do. Let's
Okay,
end that.
eto na, start na ng yoga.
You're going down? Yes, you know.
I can't believe we're doing yoga right now. I mean, ito naman talaga ang pinunta niya rito. Pero hindi ko in-expect na he'd be serious about it. He even brought the yoga outfit. But,
Wala, pinagkailan kita.
I'll be more accurate kung si Maxim gagawin.
Tong dalawang to.
Now, mas conscious na ako.
I want you to relax. Nail going down.
Nagselos pa nga. Ikaw. Nagselos na ba din?
I see.
Kalok. Diba? O ano ka ngayon? Alam mo ha. Ang hirap for me ha. Hindi kasi ako magaling mag-handle ng compliments. Kaya hindi talaga ako sanay ng kino-compliment ako. Kaya na sobrang nahihiya ako kapag kino-compliment ako. Pero kung yung taong mahal ko naman, yung jowa ko, yung magko-compliment sa akin, parang,
It's kinda hot now.
thank you. Uy,
I think yung AC ko needs some cleaning.
grabe yung titig na yan ah.
And what?
Grabe yung titig mo, Clyden ah. Parang kinakain mo siya sa marar. Oh my God, may mangyayari ba after nito? Oh my God,
I see. All right. That's it for our first session. I think I'm gonna go. Thank you, Max.
Grabe naman third wheel. Oh, ayan na.
I'll just get the door.
Kunin ko ng bag ko. Special delivery.
Abby!
Shit. I forgot. Abby's
Yan,
staying
kasi
tonight.
lumalove life eh.
Pero si Hayes pa talaga of all people ang naghatid.
You okay? You have a visitor?
Mao, yan na ba yung delivery,
Ayan na nga.
What are you guys doing?
Yoga.
I see.
Sai, his...
Wow. You're the guy I've heard about. Long time no si Sai.
They know each other?
Interesting. Can I join your yoga session? Sounds fun.
Hayes ba pang Azar Suarez? Alam nyo, tama lang yung ginawa ng diva na si PJ yung ginawang Hayes. Kasi may similarities yung features nila ni Jerome. Unlike kung sino man yung kukunin nila dapat.
I think you should join your friends outside. You came here alone and I'm sleepy.
Taas ng ulan.
Parang sobrang close na sa'yo kanina.
Grabe magselos to.
You're jealous. Pero wag, cause he's gay.
Okay.
Eh, sa'yo.
Kaya pala, sabi na eh. Nagselos lang sa wala.
Oh, Sam. I get beers from your fridge. Palitan mo na lang.
We try to stop it.
Well, since lumalis yung instructor, I was asking Sai to show me some yoga poses, but ayaw niya, so
How do you guys know each other?
we went to the same high school. Lower year level siya. I think I made fun of him a lot because he was a quiet kid.
Oh, really?
Grabe yung pang-asar ni Hayes, no? Kuhang-kuha niya talaga kung ano yung nasa book na pang-asar ni Hayes.
Here. Don't tell me you can handle your liquor.
Alam niya na hindi umiinom si Sai.
Excuse me.
Grabe bang asar tong si Hayes eh.
Para kang bata.
Hindi mo naman sinabi that he's the ex-boyfriend you're busy falling for.
Hindi ka naman nagtanong. At saka, I didn't know na magkakilala pala kayo. Go. Stop it, ha?
Asar niya si Sai.
I can drink.
Ayun na. Minom na nga.
Can he really drink? Or pinipilit lang niya yung sarili niya.
Naduduwal-duwal pa siya eh. Ito yung dadating si Calix. Kapitbahay naman niya si Calix.
At? Oh. So, in-invite ka ni Sai?
Unfortunately.
Can I read? While
drinking.
Is that allowed here? Hey, listen up, KJ. We gotta keep the mind sharp.
This night is getting weirder and weirder.
So, my girlfriend ka na ba, Sai? Not looking for
Interesting.
Sucks to be single, huh? Watch your words, man. Oh, pinataman.
Single nga pala tong si ano.
I thought too. Guess we're done. I mean, it wasn't anything serious anyways. Is it really a thing now? You know, get together with your friends' exes? Guess it is. Right?
Huh?
Huh? Huh?
Why?
Huh? I don't know.
Lasing na nga yung tatlo.
Already fucked. Diba? It's like plain survival mode out there, right? It's so fucking unfair, man. It doesn't matter how fucking hard we try. Yeah, fuck that. It's just a fucking hard field. Sometimes I just wish we had a 9 to 5. Like, do you realize how hard it is for us that every time we walk into that fucking office, we're holding someone's future into our hands? Tama ka dyan, bro. Ina naman, like, nasaan responsibilidad yan? I'm not paid enough for this shit. Bro, and you know what hurts the most? Yung mga mahirap, wala silang choice. Puta, yung mga mayaman lang may choice. Whether in healthcare or in justice. Diba?
Grabe tong...
Bad trip, bro. Kahit anong gawin ko sponsorship, kahit anong ibigay kong pera. Dahil hindi talaga enough.
Grabe tong mga to ah.
It's never
Mag-away.
gonna be-
Ganto magtalo yung mga matatalino na mayayaman pa. Diba?
Okay,
Kaya kayo single eh. Kasi ganyan kayo eh.
nagtapos na binigay ko naman lahat eh. Diba? Tanong na problema ng Pinesto eh.
Parang hugot na hugot siya doon ha.
Putang ina mga mayaman at mga love. No, love is good. It's not. I was right there. I was right there. That's believing it that it was good. That it was gonna give you the fucking. That it's gonna give you the fucking passion for it, but it's not. It's gonna kill you inside. I'm telling you.
No, I'm not. Stop! Okay. Alis ka na? Alis ka na!
Sama ako.
No.
Yeah.
Stay there.
No, you stay there. Come. I'm gonna stay
Alex?
there. Come on.
Stay there. Okay. Get up. Get up.
All time at the beginning.
Hey, Hayes, Calix, yung unit niya is on the 23rd floor.
Fuck that, man.
Okay. You're
Don't
what?
touch me.
Who's touching you? Wait.
Enjoy the rest of the night, Sam.
Yeah. You're booked. Hayes, 23rd floor. Calix,
Alright.
sleep, okay?
Nakakaloka tong...
What was that?
Hayes, don't forget to close the door.
Have fun, lovebirds.
Close it.
Anong lovebirds pa nagsasabi nitong si Clyde?
Sai, wake up.
Sorry.
It's so heavy. 1, 2.
Buti na lang. Malaki yung sofa ni Sam.
Sorry.
Yeah, without justice system.
What?
Justice system.
my God, mukhang dibdib ang usapan to. Lasing ka ba ba, Clyden?
Couldn't be enough for you. Still prefer somebody else. Kasi mas may oras sila para sa'yo.
Sa, it's not like that.
Nakakapagod siguro ako dati, no? Kaya ka nakipagbalik sa akin.
Hindi yun yung dahilan. Yun yung dahilan kaya siya naipag-break.
I got too busy with Mitch. I forgot to do things for you. Hindi ko nga ma-celebrate mga achievements mo eh. I'm sorry if you felt that you couldn't rely on me.
Say, that's not true. We broke up. Kasi I needed to focus on myself. I relied on you a lot, Sai. And you gave me a lot of motivation. It's just that, nung time na yun, pareho lang tayong busy and I understood.
During the worst time of your life, Mami, you didn't rely on me. When Naomi died, you didn't even reach out to me.
Kasi nga, pinagbawal siya ng nanay mo.
I thought you were on duty.
Howie, I was willing to drop everything that day just to be with you. But I was willing to drop everything para lang makasama kita ng panahon na yun. I even begged my parents to not cancel the engagement.
We have to cancel the engagement with Samantha. At hindi dapat tayo nakikipag-associate sa mga Vera.
No, I won't cancel the engagement. Magpapakasal kami.
Anak, we are in the medical field. Paano tayo pagkakatiwalaan ng mga tao kung involved tayo sa isang politician kagaya ni Stephen Vera?
No, then you shouldn't have arranged our marriage in the first place.
Clyden, you have to break up with Samantha or you don't deserve to inherit the hospital. Wala kang pakialam sa future ng business natin. You are disappointing.
Disappointing pa rin. Kasi for once, hindi mo sinunod mga gusto mong mangyari. So now what? Hindi na ako ideal son? Huh, right. Di naman talaga nagtrato mo sa akin, di ba? I'm just one of your movable objects na pwede mo ipagmayabang sa kung sino-sino.
Ano pang ginawa sa'yo ng babaeng yan? I can't even recognize you anymore. I'm warning you, Clyden. Kung hindi ka makikipaghiwalay dyan kay Samantha na yan, you will lose everything. Don't disappoint me.
Anak, I know you love Sam, but choosing her as a wife won't be an easy task. Lalo na ang daming issue na kinakasagutan ng pamilya nila. Are you willing to give up everything for Sam? Even your dreams?
Tama, may point naman yung nanay niya.
Thank you.
Right love, wrong time. So this was Clyden's POV during the years na hindi sila magkasama ni Sam. Sobrang busy niya. Pinuntahan niya si Sam tapos hindi na niya inabutan kasi umalis na si Sam. Or ito yung namatay si Naomi.
Tita?
Hi, is Sam with you? She's not answering her phone eh.
Di po kami magkasama eh. Bakit ba nangyari po ba?
Hindi ko alam nga sa batang yun eh. Ayaw kami kausapin eh. Ayaw kami papuntahin sa wake.
Wake? What do you mean, wake?
Oh my God. Hindi mo alam? Naomi committed suicide last night. It was such a big mess.
So this was Clyden's POV during those days. Grabe. Totoo nga naman. Hirap naman kasi yun. Boyfriend mo ko, tapos hindi ka nag-reach out sa akin. Like,
and that's why I couldn't call you. Kasi alam ko kaya mong iwanan ng lahat. At ayokong mangyari yun sa'yo. I didn't want you to ruin your future.
The relationship felt one-sided, Sam. Ikaw yung lagi nag-a-adjust para sa atin, but why wouldn't you let me do the same for you? Lagi mong sinasabing naiintindihan mo. But for now, please, tell me what's on your fucking mind?
Hi!
I still love you.
Fuck you. Fuck all of you. I felt so alone and left out. Lagi ako nandiyan para sa lahat. Pero I'm always alone when I'm at my lowest. And yes, the thing is, I also like pushing people away. Kasi pag iniwan nila ako, kasalanan ko yun. Wala akong ibang sisisihin doon. I always say I understand because the blame is on me. I don't like asking people for help kasi ayokong ma-disappoint kung hindi sila mag-show up. Natuto na lang akong saluhin ang sarili ko sa'yo. And I'm sorry if I made you feel useless. I'm sorry kung hindi kita nabigyan ng chance na saluhin ako. I'm sorry
Sana all sinasalo. Sorry.
for making you think na one-sided yung relationship. It's my fault. It's all my fault. I'm the one who's useless. God, I couldn't even save their
Grabe yung bubog ni Sam. Totoo naman eh, lagi siyang nandyan sa lahat, pero pag siya na yung nangangailangan, laging walang present para sa kanya. It's just that, hindi wala. Hindi lang siya makapag-reach out dun sa mga tao na yun, kasi isipin niya, pabigat siya dun sa mga tao na yun. Like, one call away lahat ng friends niya, pero inisip niya, busy sa mga kanya-kanyang struggle sa buhay. So, ayun, kaya ganyan yung nafe-feel niya.
I'm leaving for New York.
Okay. Sulitin na lang natin ang oras na dito ka ba?
Hindi mo ko pipigilan.
How could I? You promised yourself, diba? That you're gonna live for yourself. And I want to support you on that.
Oh, isang Biden nga po.
Sorry.
Si Abby. Huy, nandyan si Abby.
Wow. He looks more mature now. He looks even more handsome. Masaya ako seeing him asleep so peacefully like this.
Ala, susunduin si Abby. kasi naman yung extension eh. Tulog yan.
Ang tagal mong sagutin. Siguro nagtatago ka na lalaki dito, no? Gising na ba si Abby? Yan na, wait. Oh, tsaka may lalaki nga. Ano ka ba? Baka magising. Gago, ba't nandito yan? Huminga pa ba yun? Ano na? Yan na. Baby, hi! We're going home. Okay? Your daddy's waiting sa party. Okay? Okay. Oh, get your bag. Kapwa. You're just waiting. Go na. Alis na kayo. Grabe, madali naman. Bakit? May gagawin ka? May ginawa na, no? Ay, so you know. Tsaka ba na nangyari, okay?
Ay, disappointed.
Baby? Tagal lang anak mo. Baby! Let's go, baby. Say goodbye for bye. Give me a... I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Oh, you're awake.
Who's that? Abby?
Yeah, sinundo na siya ng mom niya.
Alam mo, akala ko nung una anak mo siya.
What? How could you say that? She's already fine. Nakita mo naman sa records, diba? And tayo pa noon when she was born.
I thought you cheated on me.
Wow.
Why didn't you ask me kaysa nag-jump ka sa conclusions?
Because I was scared that it might be true.
Well, I'm glad na clear na sa'yo ang lahat. Abby's mom is Yana, my best friend. And her dad is Hero. Brother ni Ace.
Don't you like him? Hayes, maybe.
Friends lang kami, Sai. I admit, I'm comfortable with him, pero I see him as nothing more than just a friend.
You're not giving him a chance.
No. He's been with other women too. Bakit mo pa tinatanong? Are you giving me away?
Never.
Good. Kasi magkagalit ako if you do.
Sam. Minsan ba nagawa mo magalit sa akin?
No. But I admit you hurt me a lot. Despite that, hindi ko magawa magalit sa'yo.
Grabe tong episode na to. More on confrontational, more on sinasabi na nila kung ano yung mga nasa utak nila.
That our relationship had been on the rocks for quite some time. Ako naman, I was so understanding to bring up any issues I had.
Yun na nga yung naging problema sa amin. You couldn't tell me what was really on your mind. I wish you could open up to me more.
I want to open up to you more. Sa totoo lang, I've been so lonely. Okay yung career ko, pero I've been living in the dark. Hanggang ngayon, galit pa rin ako sa parents ko eh. And I miss Naomi so much.
I know.
Losing her was the hardest thing that happened to me. Hanggang ngayon, naaalala ko pa rin siya. Sometimes, nakikita ko siya sa audience while I walk on shows. Pero wala akong makausap. Alam mo yun? So sometimes, I just wish I could lean on someone.
You can hold on to me. Kahit bitawan mo ulit ako sa likod.
Aww.
Kumapit ka lang sa akin ngayon. Wala na akong pakialam sa mangyayari.
That's a selfless thing to do, Sai.
We should do that, right?
Can you spend your next reading with me? I want to see the dogs.
Sure. They miss their mood.
Sana all! And that's the end of my reaction video for the series Avenues of the Diamonds. And grabe, nasa kalagitnaan ako ng pag-vlog nung namatay yung mic ko at hindi siya gumana. So I had to repeat my reactions dun sa iba na yun. Pero guys, sobrang ang saya ng episode na to. Hopefully sa mga susunod, medyo konting sakit lang kasi alam ko magko-konting breakup sila, 'di ba? Kasi nga, 'di ba, the parents and blow up the news and everything. And ayun, thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye.